Hello friends, welcome to my channel Astro Kannadiga English. Okay friends, let us come to know about the wealth and the success symbols in a palmistry. Yes friends, in this day I took that matter. Why? Because many people asked me to do about money, because on this COVID occasion many people lost their job and they would like to get a way in which they would like to get money and also success in their life. That is why I would like to make that video, and before the commencement of that video I ask you to subscribe to my channel as you are came and you are watching first time to my channel, and please share, subscribe, share, and ask the other people to subscribe to my channel, because I am going to give more interesting videos on this channel. I hope you like it. Come on friends, let us come to know about this wealth and success indications in a palm. So I will focus on the hand. You see, this is a hand. Yes, of course. I would like to explain you firstly, very first indication of the very money indication means this sun finger must be lengthier compared to the Jupiter mount. Why? Because the sun finger said to be very long means that person is adventurous in nature. Those who are adventurous in nature only can able to get the job. Yes, those who are adventurous enough are going to get money in their life. That is why the sun finger must be lengthier than the Jupiter finger, or else it is comparatively lengthier than the other fingers as well. So let us come to know the other characteristics. So next important characteristics must be there must be a single vertical line on the Saturn mount. Yes, single vertical line tells about the here you see Saturn mount. This area is considered to be Saturn mount, and this area, why Saturn mount is considered as the mount of money means the Saturn represent our work, our job, our karma. So the person who are by doing his job is going to get a money. So that is why this Saturn mount considered to be most auspicious when concerned to the money. So if there is single vertical line which is there and without having any defect means, then that person going to be having a very good money flow in his hand. So particularly you see here there must be single vertical line. Single vertical line said to be very good on this Saturn mount. So, and one more thing, if the two or more lines coming and joining here, that means to say one line which is coming from the Saturn what do you call moon mount, and one more line which is coming from Venus mount, and other one coming from the yes, of course, Mars mount. So if these two are more than two lines which can be observed, no? So this more than two lines are there means okay, it's good. So if it is simply there are more lines, more than three lines are there means it is not considered as an auspicious sign. So that lines must be very clear, and there should be no breakage, there should be no overlapping, and there should be no thick lines. They must be thin as what do you call, they must be moderate thin. Very thick is there means there is that's not considered as a auspicious one. So next one, the one of the fate line which must come originating on in the Ketu mount and directly goes to Jupiter mount. So that is very auspicious. That person who is having this fate line going to be greatest millionaire as well as the greatest personality, we can call them as. And if this line is not present, means if the fate line is going like this and one of the branch reaching towards the Jupiter mount, means that is also considered to be very, very great money. So if it is having a V symbol or two branches, it give double benefits. If it is having three lines, it is having a triple benefits. This could be considered as a very good Raj Yoga as well. Here also the fate line having a one or two branches on the Saturn mount is also said to be greatest money giving symbol. So the next one, here you see the another one here, headline, yes, headline, a fate line and Mercury line. So these line form a triangle here. So this triangle is also very much auspicious for getting of money. So it is very, very important. And one more thing, so there must be a clear sun line. So that is also very good indication of money flow in one person's life. So that is what a very important signs. And you see this Venus mount also must be bulged, and it is not what you call depression. That means to say it must be well developed. The Venus mount must be well developed, and there may be vertical lines like this. So if he is having vertical lines like this, means then also it is considered to be very, very auspicious. And if it is there on the Jupiter mount there is a triangle on it, or else here also the triangle, here also triangle is considered to be very auspicious when come to the money matters. And even on the Mercury mount, a long Mercury line which is there from the vertical lifeline to till the Mercury mount, this line without having any defect reaching that mount, means then considered to be very, very auspicious. This person going to be have a greatest money and will get overseas business as well. So and there are many qualities related to it, but I am talking about economic benefits. So next one we want to know is the star on this mount is also considered to be very auspicious. Here also star is considered to be very auspicious. And here the what you call rectangle or square is also considered to be very auspicious on all these mounts. And also the another important auspicious sign to get a money means the fish symbol. Particularly there in any one of these palm we find this fish symbol like this. Yes, like this we see the fish symbol, means then it is considered to be auspicious. I'll tell you, see like this. So like this fish symbol is there, means it is considered to be very, very auspicious, and that person going to be get a greatest money in his lifetime. And for success, so whatever money is there, means along with that success is also plays very prominent role. What is the lines which tells about success? You see, particularly for success in any matters, the sun mount plays very prominent role, because sun is a leader, sun is a what you call leader in the solar system. So this mount is well developed and there is a very good sunlight, so then it is considered to be very much successful. That Jupiter mount should also have a bulge and have all these good markings, then this person going to be have a great success in his life. So this is my interpretation about money as well as the success in his life. I hope friends, I hope you like this analysis, and if you like my analysis, please subscribe, share and comment on my videos, and please tell to your friends, do the same. Thank you very much friends. Have a nice day. Thank you.